How's it going, chat? My name is Snow, and today we're going to be doing a reaction video. Now, I wasn't planning to do anything today, but since I did reach 300 subscribers, I decided to do a reaction video. So, let's just get right into it. Oh god, ASMR.
Hey, Jimmy. I hope you're not still trying to resurrect dead pedophiles or anything. I don't think that's a very good idea. Jimmy? Is anyone there?
Oh no.
What's going on?
Hey, Carl. It's me, Michael Jackson.
I don't like this. Why is the door locked? Jimmy!
No, Carl! Carl, Wheezer!
Please stay away!
No!
Oh, close your
No,
eyes.
Carl, don't close your eyes.
Penis get into.
I don't want to be molested!
Don't try
No.
to fight it. There ain't nothing that you can do.
Please just leave me alone!
Your
What the
eyes
fuck
is
am I listening
mine.
to? What am I watching?
Relax and spread those thighs. You gotta feel.
Oh my
Deep
god.
inside your body, share that baby heart. I'm gonna fuck you. It hurts. All
I need wipe today, it smells!
I'm gonna ass rape you.
Oh god,
I wish you wiped your ass today.
Oh no!
no. Oh my god. What the fuck?